Hello, today we're going to be learning a new special friend, shh. But first, let's recap on some letter sounds that we already know. Think about yesterday's special friend, ch. Do our new one for the day, shh, and a little bit of writing. If you would like to, you can use your flashcards instead. Let's whiz through some letter sounds that we already know. Shout out the sound that you can see on the screen. If you need my help, have a look at me down here and I'll be doing the actions to help you. Ah, brr, g, ah, b, z, z, j. Well done. If you got stuck on any of those, then go back and have another go. So yesterday we did the sound ch. You did lots of practice of writing this letter shape. You followed the caterpillar "k" around and did a tall "h" down and over the hill. Together this says ch, ch. You did lots of amazing writing. Ch-op, chop, ch-in, chin, ch-ip, chip, ch-ick, chick, and chain, chain. I'd like you to say these words out loud. Sound them out slowly so that I can write them down. Off you go. Great. Ch-op, chop. Sound out chin slowly for me now so that I can write it down. Ch-in, chin. Sound out chip for me so that I can write it down. Ch-ip, chip. How about chick? Sound it out. Ch. A special friend. K. Ch-ick, chick. And the last one, chain. Watch out, there's those two special friends. Yay! Thanks! If you found that a bit tricky, then watch it again and sound out as I write. You can follow me. Our new sound today is shh. This is another special friend. Sam has a new baby sister and she's gone to sleep. So Sam's mum puts her finger to her lips and says shh. To make the special friend shh, we need to do a S shape and a H shape. Remember, it's a tall letter. Come down first and then over the hill. Shh. If you want to, pause the video here to read these words. We're going to look at some words that have shh at the start. I've put the picture there next to the word to help you with your reading. Pause the video here and sound out all 3 words. Make sure every time you finish sounding out that you say the word as a whole. Pause the video to read the words. I hope you read ship, ship, shop, shop, shh. Special friends. Eep. Sheep. Did you notice that? Well done if you did. These words have sh at the end. Pause the video here so that you can sound out and read these words yourself. Did you sound out fish, fish, dish, dish? Well done. All that's left to do today is for you to write the words yourself. If it's helpful for you, on your piece of paper or on this sheet, if you've printed it out from the Dropbox, you can do the dots and the dashes. For example, this is ship. Sh, I, sh, I. You can do the dots and the dashes. If you're not up to writing today, why not build these words with your flashcards and take a video or send a picture? I do, of course, have an extra challenge. It would be fantastic if you could write a sentence. I see a fish. Or it is a ship. Or the sheep is big. See if you can build or write these words and sentences today. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you soon.